Yo, 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 as y'all can see, well, that's not even my intro. Yo, 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 it's your boy King Ray Ray, back at it with a YouTube video for y'all today. And yeah, this is just like a vlog slash like car meet video. It's not really a vlog for real. Haven't been to one in a long time. A decent one, I should say, in a while. And I also haven't vlogged one, so just thought I would vlog one, show y'all the cars that they have here. And yeah, y'all probably wondering why my energy is like this. Is because I'm fucking tired, to be honest. But you know what I'm saying, that's another story. It was all for a good cause on why I'm tired. But yeah, and I have a guest with me today.
Hey y'all.
And yeah, so I got her, and my friend's gonna come later. But yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, it feels weird not being in Des Moines. Here is so weird. It's so small and lame, and I don't know. But I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get to the car meet. So yeah. As y'all just seen, that's how they get down here. So crazy thing is, I haven't seen no cops around either, so I guess that's a good sign. Who knows, might be bad, but hopefully y'all can hear me for real. Yeah, I'm gonna try and not make these clips too long, because you know, I don't want this video to be stupid long. But I'm gonna get some clips in for y'all, get some drive-bys for y'all, and some shots for y'all, and yeah, enjoy the vid. There's no way there's a dark horse right here. That is nasty. Oh my gosh. What? This is clean. I like that. Got another 5.0. Y'all know, man. Beautiful. This Mustang right here. I know my coworker gonna go crazy watching this video. He love Mustang. You have a Nissan Z. Don't know which one it is. I always get those mixed up. Then you have, what is this? S4? Clean S4. Clean, clean. We got a police radar also. You know what that means. Another Z with a clean paint job. I actually like the paint.
Probably cooler today.
That's fast. This car, bro, his Mustang is so nice and clean. Such a nice color. You heard the horn on that? There's not nothing going on right now. We've been chilling though. It's cool. Not too bad. But I will say this. It was definitely a decent time. They not doing nothing too crazy. They haven't been doing nothing crazy. Yeah, I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. Oh no, no, no. No, that's Jacob! That's Jacob! I couldn't get it on cam!
The first one in front of me.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that board. is so clean. Apparently it's tuned. Then this one right here has, oh, that over there. Yeah, this one got a Brembo brake kit on it. It's an M3 also. This one is actually for sale, so. Nice peanut butter interior, as y'all can see. This is clean. They both sound nasty. Dealer plate, exhaust. Yeah. The dude told me that he got it from a Porsche company, or a Porsche. Thank you guys. Oh, they ain't here. Thank you. But I don't know, y'all. I think I might go German. Actually, I'm not gonna do that because we don't have to have a camera, by the way. They got the light boys. Oh my god. This is so nice.